Yeah. Love comes in all forms, and one of those forms is sugar cookies. But this Valentine's Day, don't frost, dip. Cookie connoisseur Amanda Henneman is joining me in the Studio 5 kitchen. Happy Love Month.
I know, it's the best one.
Are you feeling it? Listen, you are in charge of the star food for Love Month. I mean, sugar cookies and Valentine's just go hand in hand.
It is my month. I've been waiting all year for this.
Okay, so we're not frosting, we're not spreading.
No. I mean, they asked me to come up with something that is easy enough that anybody can do it, right?
Well, I know who you're working with.
I don't know, you're getting pretty good, but...
My producers have gotten wise over the years, yeah.
No, I wanted to come in and show something that really is just so simple. Absolutely zero fancy tools required, right?
Okay.
Like a toothpick and a Ziploc bag.
We can do that.
So we're gonna start making these marble, this marble design. So this is what we're going for.
Okay, stop. This doesn't require any skill or tools?
And I'm using these icing bags, but really you can put it in a Ziploc bag.
Okay.
So just use what you have at home. So first we're gonna start by doing some I'm gonna do the red and then I'll let you do the pink.
Okay.
But this is all I'm doing here, okay? And then you're gonna do that with the pink bag.
Okay.
The same idea.
Same way?
Yeah, other way.
Oh, other way.
Yep. Go across that way.
I asked.
Lots of it.
Okay.
And then you're gonna take this toothpick and then just drag it around there to make kind of a swirly design however you want.
This is surprisingly soothing.
So fun, right?
As the studio falls quiet,
yes.
We just all watch the marbling effect unfolding in front of our eyes. Okay.
Yep. Okay. So I'm gonna dip a bigger one. I'm gonna give you this one. The bigger cookies are soft. Like I'm a big believer, cookie has to be soft first, right? So if you're wanting to do this, I would definitely go with a smaller cookie.
Okay.
So I'm gonna start first. So all you're gonna do is dunk it like this and then pull it straight back out and kind of let it drizzle a little bit.
I'm gonna do the underside of this one.
And then you have a really fun, and then you can just kind of wipe the edge off like that and let them dry. And if the icing, it's okay, do it again, do it again.
I swear I'm set up.
Wait,
you guys, I'm not this challenged.
Now pull.
If like the Truman Show, one day Studio 5 wraps and they tell me that it all was a big setup, then I'm gonna not be surprised.
You'll set it on the counter right there. And it will be fine. And it will settle in. And when the icing runs off the sides, you can just wipe it like this.
Ooh, we love your icing.
Or just let it run. And it's cute.
We're professional. It's fine. We're eating the cookies. It's fine.
And this is such a great design you can do for any holiday, any color, theme, pattern party that you're throwing. And then just go back in and add a little bit more icing.
That's really cool.
So fast. So great party to do, idea to do with kids.
For sure. Kids could totally do that. Grandkids would love it.
Yes. And then I'm going to show you one more. My hands are a mess.
Can I get you a towel? Hold on.
Thank you.
Props.
I'm licking, but
props. I know.
It's also sticky.
I know. Here.
Okay, so then thank you. So the other one is also so simple. So I've already gone through and I've just put a flood layer on these and they dried overnight, right?
Okay, and this is the same icing?
Same icing, yep.
Okay.
And we're actually even gonna use this same bag here. So
okay.
I'm gonna show you mine first and then I'm gonna let you do yours.
Good idea.
Okay, so you could do this. This is what we're doing. So we're gonna dip it in the sanding sugar.
Sorry, I missed that. Look how cute.
So so you just have your base flood layer, let it dry. I would definitely let that dry overnight because you don't want the sprinkles to stick, to the light pink icing.
Okay.
So on this, I'm just gonna go in and put A plus C for me and my husband. Right?
Cute.
So do yours. Just a little,
oh gosh,
whoever you want yours to be.
Well, are you kidding? Can you imagine if I didn't do my husband right now? That would be
But you could write your kids' names on it, and have a really fun personalized cookie for your kids.
Sure. I mean, good enough. Keep going.
That's the best you've done.
Oh, yeah.
I'm impressed. That letters are hard. Writing is hard.
Just the elation in her voice, and that wasn't even A+. That's the best. The best you've done.
That's great.
Okay, now
then we're just going to take this sanding sugar that you can get at any craft store, any grocery store.
I see where you're going, and I like it.
And we're just going to dip.
Look. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, that is high payoff.
Yep. And then that will you can blow that off. But,
fine.
Yep. Little extras. Aren't those so fun? So write your kid's name on it, dip it, and then once you have this layer on it and it dries, you can put these in a little bag and package them, put them in their lunch, have it as part of their Valentine's present.
Oh, I love it. We're looking at some of your more fancy creations, which you can help us get there as well. You do offer Valentine's cookie kits for people that want to pull this off in the most simple way.
Yes. So I do cookie kits that look like this.
Yes.
And they will come with 12 cookies, 3 bags of icing, and some sprinkles. So then if you're like, I don't want the mess, but my kids love sugar cookies.
Yeah.
Done. So these will be ready for pickup next Wednesday. You can get them on my website, bakedbyamanda.com.
Okay.
And I also sell my cookie recipe in an ebook format on my website. So if you're like, no, I need 100 cookies, you can do that too.
She will hook you up in all the ways. Your website again?
Bakedbyamanda.com.
Baked by Amanda. Thank you so much. That was really fun.
Thank
and
you.
almost anyone could do it. So mission accomplished.